Books are our friends. Books are very close to us. We treat them as our close friends. Each of us loves books of all sorts. It might be a storybook, novel, or a diary. We love to read it, we keep it carefully, but nowadays some of us don't read books. We hate reading. We are always on the internet, YouTube, Twitter, mobile phones, chatting and playing games. We don't touch a book, and because of this we get diseases such as eye pain, mental stress, and also using such websites and playing games is a main reason for obesity. We should not do this. We should read books. They are like our best friends. When we are feeling sad, we can take an enjoyable storybook and read it.